across this toll bridge here. This is near Martinez, California. It is the 30th of June 2020. This is 7:12 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time. That's local time. 66 degrees. This is Rick, also known as Duke City Double Dog. I'm going to get left here.
Stay right to continue on I-680 north.
Just fast track here. So
Proceed northwest on I-680 north in 1 3/4 miles. Take exit 588 on the left for I-780 west, Benicia, and Vallejo.
hopefully you'll be able to, well, I don't know if you'll be able to see ships. I can see ships up here, but I don't know. We went across this the other day. Don't know what you can see as we go. It is beautiful though. Let's see, that may be a little.
In 1 mile, take exit 588 on the left for I-780 west, Benicia, and Vallejo.
We're on our way to American Canyon, California, to pick up a load. Don't know what I can show you or tell you. There's a big ship down there. Don't know if it's a container ship or an oil tender or what the heck it is. It's the Washington out of Prince William Sound,
Take exit
Alaska.
588 on the left for I-780 west, Benicia, and Vallejo.
So I'm guessing somebody's gonna push to rename
In
that
a
thing
half
the way things are
mile,
going.
continue on to I-780 west.
Anyway, thought I'd see. I don't know if we'll be able to see anything
Continue
else
on to
coming up here.
I-780 west.
Benicia. I would
Proceed
say
west on
Benicia.
I-780 west in 6 miles. Take exit 1B on the right for I-80 east at Sacramento.
Anyway, it's a beautiful morning. We've been up since 11:30 last night. We had to get to bed early yesterday afternoon. It's hard to tell because of a little bit of dust, but Emily Rose got a bath yesterday. She's all nice and clean. Just a little dust down there. We'll dust her off when we stop. We had our delivery at 2:15 this morning, so we had to run early this morning, about 1 o'clock. So we then we had to go south and get
on the right for I-80 east at Sacramento.
Get a trailer wash and wash out. So we did that, and then had to come back north. So we had to cut back south about 20 miles, come back, and then come up to pick up this load. This load's already, it was supposed to be picked up yesterday, but they didn't have anybody to assign it to. They gave it to me. We're gonna pick it up, and they're gonna work us in. So I don't know how long we're gonna be sitting. The longer we're sitting, the less time we're gonna have to run it today. I do want to try to run it as far as we can today because it is due in Ogden, Utah tomorrow sometime, and it's pretty open about the time tomorrow. But we do need to get it to Ogden by tomorrow. So the farther I can run today, the easier day it'll be tomorrow, where I can deliver this at a decent time and find a place to shut down, because I doubt once we get it delivered in Ogden we'll have much time to run that tomorrow after that. So we're gonna see, but it all depends on how long it takes them to load us, and we'll go from there. So in this beautiful view, you can see part of the bay. You can see some of the bridges over here. We're gonna pick up I-80 East here, going towards Sacramento a little bit. But if you kept taking this north, and I believe, or you pick up a little bit of 80 West, you'd actually pick up head towards Napa, up in that area. I believe. I haven't been up that way, so sometime we'll hopefully get a load that picks up that way. But this is just a beautiful morning. I hope you've had a good morning. Hope your Monday was pretty good. I said mine wasn't too bad, and we're gonna check it out from there. So I love to see the flowering bushes here in the median. It's just beautiful. It's a beautiful thing to see. It makes you enjoy driving, you know. But there's always great things to see regardless. So anyway, we will talk to you in a little bit. Well,
they left for California 37 and Napa.
So I was a little wrong here. We're going on California 37
Continue
towards
on
Napa.
to Marine World Parkway.
But there used to be a place called Marine World up here. I don't know if it's still around or they just kept the name of the parkway. But I know that SeaWorld bought them out at one time. But anyway, I guess this is the road if you were to follow it. I don't know how far, but to Napa.
Continue on to Marine World Parkway.
Discovery Kingdom.
Proceed west on Marine World Parkway in 1¼ miles. Big exit 19 on the right for California 29, Sonoma Boulevard, and Napa.
Bunch of roller coasters there in Discovery World. Interesting.
In 1 mile, big exit 19 on the right for California 29, Sonoma Boulevard, and Napa.
Anyway, we got about 7 miles to go. I don't know exactly what this is going to look like, and I don't know how much battery I have on my camera here. We're just going to let it run, see what we see here. Sonoma, Napa.
Big exit 19 on the Boulevard. Proceed north of Sonoma Boulevard in 1.5 miles. Continue straight on to California 29 North.
Anyway, it's beautiful up here. So we'll see. We'll see if we see anything else. All right. Hey everybody, this is Rick, also known as Duke City Devil Dog. It is 4 o'clock local time. It is 82 degrees. I am in American Canyon, California, which is the gateway to Napa Valley up here to wine country in Sonoma, in that area. We just picked up our load. Saw a number of wine warehouses, including Wine Direct, if you get that one. But we didn't pick up wine. We picked up something a lot sweeter. But we're headed to Ogden, Utah. That's where we're headed. We got to our delivery point about 7:30 this morning. Actually, about 7:50 this morning. After delivering our load at Costco distribution this morning.
Turn right to Jamison Canyon Road.
Well, this load was originally supposed to be picked up yesterday, and because of that, when you're late for an appointment, they work you in however they can work you in. Well, the problem with that was we sat around for a long time. Took them about 5, almost 6 hours to load us. By the time we were done, we had about an hour left on our drive clock, and that wasn't going to get us anywhere. But we were far enough in, we could do an 8-2 split and get at least some time back. So right now we got 7 hours on our drive clock, and then we'll have to stop and do a 10-hour break. There's no way getting around that. But that's what we're going to do. So we're going to try to get out into Utah. I mean, not into Utah, into Nevada, and see how we go from there. But if you go straight on 29, you get into Napa itself. But we're not going that way. We're taking 12 over here because we got to pick up 80.
Turn right to Jamison Canyon Road.
Got to pick up I-80. But this would be great to come check this out sometime. And this wasn't bad. I mean, if I would have...
on Jamison Canyon Road in 5 3/4 miles. Take exit straight ahead for I-80 East.
See, we'll pick up I-80 pretty quick out of here. Good to know. Good to know. Good to know. But it was a beautiful drive getting up here. That was really nice. So anyway, we need to stop near Sacramento and find a scale. There's no scales around here. Eagle Vines Vineyard and Golf Club. Oh, I'm going to check that place out. Just look at all the vines of the vineyards. How beautiful. This land is expensive as hell. But be interested to see the golf course over here. Try to get right here. Get out of here. I took my turn over onto there, and we always take that wide right turn, and what ended up happening side there and got in our way. Oh, that's pretty. I don't know if you hit a ball into the vineyard. Anyway, just thought we'd check this out a little bit. We'll stay with it until we get to the interstate here. I'm sorry, guys. I gotta really get better with posting.
Take exit straight ahead for I-80 East.
You guys are out here playing golf. Nice. But and like I said, I'm sorry that I haven't been good about posting. It's not that I haven't filmed; I just haven't been good with posting, and that's my fault. All of you who have subscribed to me, I do apologize. Please stay with me. We're gonna try to pick up some more subscribers and go. It's just it's been driving so hard and by the time I get shut down, a lot of times I'm just beat. But I need to make better use of my time. I could have used some of my time earlier that I had to do some editing, but I didn't. So I do apologize, and we'll get it going. But I thought this would just be a nice little view here, going up here, checking out the beautiful vineyards as we go. Of course, this is always where you hear, the wine country in Napa. One of my favorite movies of all time is A Walk in the Clouds, which the story takes place here in Napa, but just beautifully shot movie. If you haven't ever seen it, Keanu Reeves, Tanya Sanchez Giron, and Anthony Quinn. I think that might have. I think it might be the last movie Anthony Quinn filmed. Great movie. Like I said, just beautiful story, beautiful movie. And I'm not a big Keanu Reeves fan, but I liked the movie a lot. So I don't know if people have just smaller vineyards. I don't know if they make their own wine in some of these smaller vineyards, or maybe they sell the grapes to bigger wineries. I don't know. That'd be interesting to see. And I don't know what's the difference between. Vineyards, I guess, is where they grow the grapes. Wineries is where they produce. I'm guessing, and I don't know what a cellar is. Like a cellar. Like you can see that sometimes. I wonder if there's a difference, or if it's just a different, just the name that they use. Anyway, I think that probably is going to get us out of the valley over here. We'll get over this hill and see if we see anything else. If not, we'll pick it up a little bit later. But yeah, I think that's probably about it. Anyway, guys, we will talk to you a little later. We are between Sacramento and Reno, Nevada, or between Sacramento and Donner Pass in Placer County, California. It's just a beautiful day right now. Just wanted to share this with you a little bit. Beautiful trees, beautiful view going to be coming up. So we'll take a little bit of video. We'll see if we can post it. But it's been a beautiful day, just checking out the sights today. slow traffic going up these hills here. We'll talk to you in a little while. So we're going down the backside of Donner Pass, or the east side of Donner Pass. We're gonna check this out. We get to see Donner Lake down here in a little ways. It'll flatten out here in a little bit, but pretty day. What a really pretty day. Been a long day. We still have about 4 hours left in it, give or take. The other side, and we'll be towards the lake here in a minute. Sorry, hopefully you're enjoying the view here. I'm trying to gain a little speed to get up this hill. I don't know if you can see above up there, the top part of the pass coming west. They're up above on the left up there. You'll get a good view. You should get a view coming up here. On the other side of the hill. Okay, we got over that hill. Now we're going to be coming down the hill and around. When I've gone through here, it's we had some kind of weather. I mean, we had snow before, or at least it was snowing or cold. It's been rainy before, so I've had to do this a lot of different ways. This was really the first mountain I ever went down going westbound, but with my trainer Mark, this was the first one, and it was the second day of me driving the truck out here, and I was going down Donner Pass. So you watch the video that I one of my videos about going down Cajon, it's a different kind of thing compared to going down Donner here. Somebody got a brand new boat up there, or is getting a brand new boat. Have 150 miles to our fuel stop. Up a little while. Okay, we're at Donner Summit, 7,227 feet, look like. We got a 6% grade going down for a while. We're going to take it easy. But we're also going to see this beautiful view coming down here. Plenty of water. back a little bit here in a minute. You'll get a view of it. Truckee, California down here. We still have a little bit more downhill, but not anything as drastic as before. Hopefully you can see a little bit of the lake, but as we turn back a little bit, you'll be able to get a little bit of a better look, hopefully. Maybe not. I don't know. Those trees right there sort of getting away. Like not too long ago we came through here, there were people ice fishing on that lake. Now there's boats and all sorts of stuff. It is only 63 degrees out here. I'm going to say only, but I mean relatively compared to the rest of where we've been in the state. That's rather cool. Some cabins down here by the lake. Got a chance to at least spy a little bit of the lake down there. It is beautiful. We won't see the other lake over down here, Lake Tahoe. One of these days maybe we'll get around it. But anyway. We're going to push it. We got 126 miles to our fuel stop. We got 3 hours and 25 minutes to go. So anyway, we will talk to you later. Well, welcome to Reno, Nevada. Even though it's a little bit early to see all the lights, Reno is open again. The casinos are open, the hotels are open. I'm sure there's some limited or reduced capacity anyway, but she is open. So, you know, I've never really stopped to check out Reno. One of these days, we'll have to stop and check her out here, just to see. Reminds me a little bit more of just the way it looks. Reminds me of Fremont Street in Vegas, you know, downtown, old Las Vegas. That's sort of what it reminds me of. But like I said, I've never been to, I've never been here, at least stopped here to check it out. One of these days I'll have to plan a night where I can get some, spend the night and then go check it out.